Hi, here is the tutorial video of HDSmartIPC App for Wi-Fi camera. First, turn on the device. Wait around 1 minute. We can find the Wi-Fi signal from our phone Wi-Fi setting. First, we need to download the HDSmartIPC app. Click Allow the notification. Okay, we can go to the setting and check the Wi-Fi symbol. Start with AI. Click to connect. When we connect to the Wi-Fi symbol, there will be a Wi-Fi symbol here. Then we can start the next step. Click HDSmartIPC. It will automatically add the non-search devices. We can click to check. This is the P2P mode, so don't need Wi-Fi. And we can connect this device to Wi-Fi, then do a remote checking anywhere in the world. Click the gear symbol and the device setting. Wi-Fi config. Choose a local 2.4G Wi-Fi. Input password. Click OK. Device is rebooted. So after around 1 or 2 minutes, the device will be online. We can quit the app and enter again after a while. Okay, now the device is online. So this means you have connected this device with local Wi-Fi, then you can check live video anywhere in the world. If you want to reset this device, just use a needle to press the reset code for around 8 to 10 seconds. Then the device will be reset to factory default. That's all. Thank you.